produced tons of videos about SSDs, both internal and external, covering specs, speeds, game transfers and install guides. And while storage as a subject may not seem very exciting, it's such an important component in any workflow or gaming setup as you're dealing with huge video and game files, so you need the technologies to keep up. And Crucial are certainly doing that, constantly evolving and making speeds faster and faster whilst keeping their products cost-effective, reliable and durable. For professional designers and creators, this can make a huge difference and literally save a lot of time and money. Over the last few years, we've been lucky enough to have plenty of Crucial products in the studio, and we have always been really impressed. In fact, we regularly use their external X6 SSDs here in the studio, as they are so portable and super fast for the editors to transfer footage and to work directly off them, which makes things even more convenient as we can work remotely and in the studio without having to keep copying huge amounts of video files back and forth. However, we now have these even faster and smaller options, which I'm sure the team will be eager to get their hands on. These are the all-new performance solid-state drives from Crucial. The Pro series consists of the super-fast X10 Pro with blazing speeds of up to 2,100 megabytes per second, and the X9 Pro with read and write speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second. They've been designed with professional creators in mind, and as you can see, they are super lightweight and ultra compact with the anodized aluminium finish with the rubberized soft touch base, and they are just 65 by 50 millimeters, which is incredibly small. They also have a drive activity light in the integrated lanyard hole that you can see here, so you can see when they're in use. As mentioned, the X10 Pro boasts read and write speeds of up to 2,100 megabytes per second and 2,000 megabytes per second respectively, which is the fastest SSD from Micron so far. We ran this through Crystal Diskmark, and as you can see, we got pretty close to that. We also ran some speed tests for transferring files back and forth from our 3XS system, and here's the results we got. As you can see, the X10 Pro is a speed machine, copying a 60GB game onto the drive in less than a minute and back to PC in just over 40 seconds. And the 8GB video file took just 2.3 seconds. If you blink, you'll miss it. The X9 Pro is still an impressive drive, but offers a slightly lower price point and slightly slower speeds. But if you look at the results we got for this one, you can see there's an average of about 1.5 times faster for the X10 over the X9 Pro. Both very impressive, and both are compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, iPad, PC, Linux, Xbox and PlayStation gaming consoles, all via a plug-and-play USB-C cable. They both have 1, 2 and 4 terabyte capacity options, 5-year warranties, password protection and 256-bit AES hardware encryption to help you protect private data. Plus, they are both IP55 water and dust resistant and drop proof up to 2 meters. So these really are a must-have for any creative professional or gamer who needs to be able to store, transfer and load up quickly and easily on the go or at home. Scans sell all 3 storage options for both the X9 and X10 Pro. So to find out more and compare speeds and prices as well as other specs, you can go to scan.co.uk and use the comparison tool. Just select the drives you want to see and then click compare.